We'll guide you through how to fix Mac Wi-Fi not connecting or not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because then you're unable to go and access the internet, and to go and fully utilize your computer and Mac, you need to have a connection in order to download apps, to browse the internet, loads of different things. So let's go and get started with some different fixes you can try. So first of all, you want to go to the bottom of your Mac and you need to go and find System Settings, or you can press the Apple icon in the top left and then press System Settings and it'll go and open up. Go over to the left and you can go and find Wi-Fi. Here we are. So first of all, you can simply try switching off Wi-Fi at the top, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then go and try connecting again. If it is already connected but it's not working, go and see if it now is working. If you're still finding that it isn't, then what you can do is, if it's saying connected but you don't think it is actually connected, it's not working, go to the right and press Details. Now you want to go over to the left and find DNS. In here you can press the plus. You want to go and type in 8.8.8.8. Then you want to go and press OK in the bottom right. Then what you can do is go and press Details, and you can go and press DNS again, and you want to go and press the plus and type in 8.8.4.4. Press OK. Now you can go and see if it works. If it's still not working, the next thing you can try doing is pressing Settings to the right. Now you can go to the bottom here and you'll find the option for Forgot this network or Forget this network. Press that there, press Remove. Now it's going to go and completely remove it. What you can then do is go and scroll down and you can go and see if you can then see it again here. If you can't, go and turn Wi-Fi on and off again, it should appear. Go and press Connect, and then what you can do is go and type in the password for the network. Go and press OK. Go and let it connect. Now go and see if it's working. Hopefully it is. If you're still finding it, you can't go and connect, or it's saying connected and it's not working, go over to the left and go and press General. Scroll down and find the option for date and time, and you can go and tap there. And what you want to do is go and switch on Set Time and Date automatically. If it's set wrongly on your Mac, it can then mean that the Wi-Fi won't go and connect, which is why it's not working. So try setting it automatic and go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If you're still finding that it isn't, what you want to do is go and close out of here. Hold the Option key in the bottom left of your Mac. It's in between Control and Command, and press the Wi-Fi icon in the top right. You'll go and see more details here than if you press it without holding the Option key. And you can press Open Wireless Diagnostics, and this may be able to go and solve the problem and detect what's wrong. So you can go and press Continue, and now the process will go and begin. It's going to analyze the environment. So let this go and complete, and it will then go and give you results. Be patient, it shouldn't take too long. In my case, it's working as expected, but hopefully it'll go and solve the problem if you haven't already. Now what you can try doing is it's worth just restarting your Mac. This can go and refresh things and hopefully solve it. So press the Apple icon in the top left, go down and press Restart, and let the restart complete. Then when it comes back on, you can try seeing if it's working. If it's still not, what you should try doing is restarting the router in case there's some type of problem on that side of things. Simply go and turn it off for a good 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Then go and see if it's working. Hopefully it is. If it still isn't, it's worth testing another device on it, because if you're finding other devices aren't working on it as well, then there could be a sign there's a problem with the router. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.